I'm Kelsey with Two Structures. I'm headed out to Arcadia today, so I want to take you on a little tour across Arcadia and show you what I think are the highlights and main points. So come along. Okay, we're heading east out to Arcadia. Right now we're at downtown Edmond. They have Sunnyside Diner right there, O'Reilly Auto Parts, Main Street, Edmond right down that way. The Sprouts right there. The 1888 Territorial School. It's a cute little museum for kids. We're gonna pass by UCO at this intersection of Boulevard and 178th or 2nd Street. That right there, that's the Edmond Library. Okay, we're still on 2nd Street or 178th. Here's where the University of Central Oklahoma campus starts. So it goes back down that way and it follows this street here. Forensic Science Center. There's some more dorms right over here. You got a Starbucks on this corner. Dutch Brothers, sorry. I don't go there, so I don't even know what it's called. And then up this hill is a Walmart Market, and then a Target is back in this area over here. Rivertown Brewery is a really good restaurant. Chick-fil-A is right here. The Edmond OU Medical Center is over here on this corner. I have a McDonald's, an IHOP, a Lowe's. There's an Old Navy on this corner, also a Ross, CC's Pizza. Torchy's Tacos, Five Guys Burgers. There's an Ulta down there too, in that shopping center. A nail place. That one just has a lot of great stuff right in there. And we're at the corner of 2nd Street and Coltrane. There's a huge 7-Eleven there, and Eddie's, just a local restaurant. Okay, still heading east on 2nd Street. We're going to cross over I-35. You can see the Edmond Life Church campus is right over here. On your way out to the Arcadia area, you're going to pass Arcadia Lake. So if you like the outdoor activities, there's trails and water activities to do out there nearby. The lake offices and the lake overlook, you can kind of get a glimpse of it over here. Yeah, there we go. We're coming into the town of Arcadia. You can see here on the right, Pops. So that is a local, it's a soda pop place, but it also has diner food and that big bottle outside there with the straw that lights up at night. It's really cute. But we are on historic Route 66 right here. So it's also, it's a gas station. They have little souvenirs in there, but you can get soda pop from all over the world in there. So back in here on the left, that's where a lot of the homes are in our Arcadia area. I think that's what they're calling main town of Arcadia there. The Arcadia Farmers Market is out here. The Round Barn is right here on our left. You go down Main Street, and there's some homes for sale out there. I'm going to take you by Chicken Shack. That is a hugely popular restaurant right now. Just fried chicken and sides, and they have it's like a venue out there too. They have artists come out there and play. They were out here just on Friday having dinner after we went to the pumpkin patch. Lake stop. When I go back this way, I'm going to turn down Main Street and just give you a good look at some of the houses in here. This is down Main Street. So at first glance, looks just like an old town out here. This is the city offices, municipal building. There's some new construction going on out here. Not some, actually, it's quite a bit. Just bringing some new residents out to the town of Arcadia.